Hello and welcome in today's video, where I'll show you how to delete your WhatsApp account quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, from there, tap on Account. Then, select Delete Account. Here, you'll need to enter your phone number in full international format. Make sure it's the same number linked to your WhatsApp account. Once you've entered your number, tap on Delete My Account at the bottom. On the next screen, WhatsApp may ask you to select a reason for deleting your account. Just choose any option you like and confirm again. After that, WhatsApp will ask you once more to confirm. Just tap Delete Account again. And that's it. You successfully deleted your WhatsApp account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.